In this next module, we're going to look at our oval letters with the parallel pen. So if you haven't done it yet, print off the sheet that corresponds to this module. We're going to start with the O. So make sure that your pen is at 45 degrees. Beginning a little bit underneath our waistline, you're going to make an oval-shaped stroke beginning and ending in a hairline stroke. That means with a very, very fine stroke. And then you're going to make the same sort of movement in the opposite direction. You're going to start from your beginning of the first stroke, move up to the waistline and come around in another oval movement to meet the hairline stroke that you left hanging. Moving along to the C, check your angle again. Begin the same way as you did with the O. Start the second part of the O and then just stop a few millimeters beneath the waistline. And the last letter on this page is the E. We have the same oval-shaped stroke on the left, beginning and ending in our 45 degrees. And then you're going to come up to the waistline and come back around to make a sort of loop, a little loop shape, a little closed-in counter space. Now, I tend to lift the right-hand corner of my parallel pen off the page when I come back to my initial stroke. That gives me a nice fine line, a hairline, all the way back to the first stroke. I'm going to try and do it again slowly here that you might be able to see what I'm talking about, that the right-hand side of my parallel pen comes off the page and it's only the left-hand corner that makes the last bit of the stroke.